What is up, guys? Welcome back. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of the new FabFours bumper, and in fact, while I'm filming this, it looks like I just missed a call, so let's go check that out and see what that's about.
Hey, it's Ryan over at Park, so just calling to let you know I got your bumper in a week early. I was expecting next Friday, but I got it today. Pick it up at any time. Thank you. Bye.
All right, so it's here, but before we unbox it, we gotta go get it. Let's go. All right, so we just got here. We're gonna head on inside, grab the bumper, and get back and get it unboxed. All right, so we got the bumper back in the truck. We got the extra pieces in here. It's time to get into this unboxing. So without further ado, we're gonna start out with the little guy first, as always. These should be the fog light vents, because on this one, we're actually not gonna put the fog lights in. Eventually, I'm going to put in a 27-inch LED light bar. So these are just little meshes that are gonna fill those spots where they're going to go. Not very much packing in there, but I guess they probably don't need a lot of protection. Ooh, nice. Yeah, is that bent? Looks bent to me, but it's just metal, so probably will bend right back, unless it's supposed to. We'll see here in just a second. Oh no, they're both bent. They're probably supposed to be like that. Cool. There we go. Left and rights, rights and lefts. All right, so that's everything in there. Comes with the hardware there and the instructions. Now, for the PA's resistance, the finale, let's get into the bumper itself. All right. I already see it, guys. It's peeking at me. It's teasing me. Let's see what I have. These are the plates that go right below the headlights. Because when you take off the factory bumper, the plastic on the factory bumper actually goes all the way up to the headlights. So they give you these plates to replace that. So far, the quality looks super high quality on this. Like the curves in the metal and the attaching points all look like really solid pieces, so I'm super excited about that. I'm getting more and more excited every time I look at another one of the pieces. All right, here we go, guys. This is it. Hopefully I can get this out of here by myself. Alright. Oh boy. I'm just trying to get all this fabric off of it. Since COVID, I haven't been to the gym, so I might be a little rusty on the weightlifting. Oh. But here we go. Oh, there she is. Alright. She's out of the box. And I am not disappointed. It's kind of at a weird angle right now. This is just how it's sitting while it's on the box. But basically, these armor pieces here are going to go under the tail lights, and they're going to sit just like this and this. I don't know if you guys can see that, or they might actually kind of go on top. This thing's going to be a beast when it's all put together. These guys are going to go, they'll be in here. I think they're on this side. I'm super stoked about this though. It's going to look freaking awesome on the truck. I love this push bar here. We are going to get ourselves a light bar for here. This is I believe what they said was a 27 or 20-inch light bar. Looks like it's basically got all the brackets in there. So all I got to do is literally slide the light bar in, bolt it on, wire it up, and I'm debating on whether I'm going to wire that to the fog lights, how the fog lights are initially ran, so that when I press the fog light button, it kicks on, but to be determined on that one. But guys, this is the FabFours Vengeance Series steel bumper. It's about 65 pounds. What I was talking to the guys at 4-Wheel Parts, thanks again 4-Wheel Parts for hooking this up, giving me a great deal on this. Super stoked about it. But they said it goes on really well, fits nice and snug, so it looks the way it's supposed to. So I am genuinely super stoked. This is gonna take the truck to the next level of aggressive, and it's just gonna be one more piece I've been waiting to get done for a while. This bumper brand in particular, FabFours, I've been wanting one of their bumpers since I had a Jeep forever ago, so it's been a few years since I've been wanting one of these, and to finally actually have it is super exciting. But guys, this is it. This is the bumper. Keep an eye out for the install video. It's going to be coming out pretty quick here, probably within the next week. But guys, always remember, take what you can and give nothing back.
Now, bring me that horizon.
Oh, with the same dose, I'm out of the miss you. Your farmer's free.